Hi guys, this is Chika with borrowedlights.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to make the fluffiest, most delicious cream scones. So in my bowl I have cake flour and all-purpose flour, and to these I'm adding in some sugar, baking powder, and salt. I'm going to stir these dry ingredients together and then set them aside. Now for this recipe, it is really important that you do use cake flour. That is what helps to give these scones their amazing texture. And if you don't have cake flour, head on over to borrowedlights.com to find this recipe, and I will have information there about how you can make your own cake flour substitute. So for the wet ingredients, I'm combining some vanilla extract with heavy cream. I'm going to stir those together and then add this to my dry ingredients. You're going to want to stir your cream into your dry ingredients until your dough starts to form, and then you're going to turn your dough out onto a lightly floured work surface. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you so much for your continued support. If you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you for checking out this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you can be updated when new videos are posted. And make sure as well to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And of course, if you ever have any recipe questions, you can always direct message me on Instagram. So once your dough has been turned out, you're going to knead it by simply folding it over itself until the dough comes together, and of course you can add more flour as necessary to prevent the dough from sticking to your work surface. So you're going to roll or pat your dough into a 12-inch round. I typically just use my hands and pat out my dough because me and dishes, we're not the best of friends. So, and that's just one less thing for me to have to wash. So yeah, I just patted out my dough into my round, and then you're just going to cut your dough into wedges and place your wedges onto a parchment lined baking sheet. You're going to then brush the tops with whipping cream, which is what I used because that's what I had left over, or you can use an egg wash if you're all out of cream. You're going to bake these in a preheated 400-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. And then when they're done, you can place them on a cooling rack to cool. These scones are so fluffy and they taste amazing. Of course, they are best served warm. You can have them with some strawberry jam or butter and honey, or clotted cream and jam, my favorite. I didn't have any clotted cream, but that is my favorite way to have scones. Or you can even just have them on their own. They are absolutely amazing. They're so delicious. I promise you guys you're going to love this recipe. This is going to be your new go-to scone recipe, I promise you. Such a simple recipe, and the scones are just so amazingly delicious, and they freeze amazingly as well too. So I hope you guys will give this recipe a try. Leave your comments below, tag me on Instagram, share this recipe, give this video a thumbs up, and enjoy these amazing, delicious cream scones. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.